How dangerous is MDMA? Like any drug of abuse, MDMA can be dangerous. One of the concerns about MDMA is that it is a synthetic drug that's made in a lab, so you never really know for sure what drugs or what chemicals are being used when it's being made. MDMA became popular in the 90s around the rave and party scene, but it continues to be popular today and is oftentimes referred to as Molly or ecstasy. MDMA affects different neurotransmitters in the brain, including serotonin, dopamine, and norepinephrine, and these are all neurotransmitters that are responsible for making us feel good, which is why when we use MDMA, we have this feeling of euphoria. The problem is when you are coming down off of MDMA, you generally will experience what we call a crash, and the crash will bring about symptoms of sleeplessness, anxiety, loss of appetite, irritability, and general physical discomfort that can take a day or two before it wears off.